Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to make a lightweight PDF viewer inside the browser without any external dependencies in React.js. So I'm just running this application in the browser. So we have a choose file button and you can actually select a PDF file here and you will see it will display the PDF file natively inside the browser. So for this we haven't used any external dependencies. It's completely lightweight and it doesn't require much code. You will see it will show the live preview of each page and you will be able to navigate to any page in the PDF and start reading it. We have all these basic controls, which is zoom in, zoom out. We can even rotate the page as well in clockwise, anti-clockwise direction, and then we can even download. We can even print by clicking the print button. So we have all these controls. So all the source code is given in the description. So now let's get started. So let me just build a very basic functional component. So what you need to do right here, we will make use of iframe. So right in the JSX we will just give it a style padding of 1 rem, and right here we'll be having an h2 tag here which will say basic PDF viewer, and inside this we will have first of all a input file where we allow the user to simply select a file here, and we also be binding an on change event handler. So as soon as the user selects a file here, we'll be executing this function handle file change. So now we just need to define this function in the JavaScript code right here. So just say so for this we just need a very basic state variable just to store the path of the input file. So initial value will be null. So for this we'll be using the useState hook from React here, and after that inside this function handle file change we will get access to the file here by using this event target file 0, and we just say if the file is not PDF, it will show a alert warning, and then we will just read the file using the file reader API, and this contains a onload function. It will just basically set the file URL to whatever e.target.result, and we'll calling this file reader dot sorry, we have just made this reader dot read as data URL. So we'll be using this function which will read the base64 code of. So we will set this file URL, and now to display this file we come to the JSX. After this input we will compare if the file URL is available. In that case we just need to just say question mark, use the ternary operator. If the file URL is available, then inside the iframe tag we will display. So for this we will use the source here, which will be the actual file URL, and then we will give it a title to it of PDF preview, and then we will set the width, which will be 100%. Height you can set to, let's suppose, 600 pixel. And then we can give it a style here which will be border 1 pixel. Can give any color here, let's suppose I say this one, gray color, and then we can give margin from the top which will be 1 rem. So that's all that is needed for this application, and here we just need to write if the PDF file is not loaded, then we'll show this error message, no, please upload a PDF to view. So if you refresh now, you'll see this message appearing and choose file button. So as soon as you choose a PDF file, you will see this PDF viewer will display, and we haven't used any external dependencies for this, so it's natively built inside the browser. So in this easy way you can construct this inside your React.js application. So each page is, you can go to any page right here and read this PDF file directly in the browser. So this is the actual code, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. You can go to my blog post and get this full source code. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.